If you're planning on building a second-story deck, then it might be useful to know how to create dry, usable space underneath. It's Kristen from DIYHomecenter.com, and I'll be sharing how to use the Trex RainEscape water drainage system to best utilize the space underneath your deck. Trex RainEscape is a complete underdeck drainage system that uses a network of troughs and gutters to protect the space underneath from getting wet by rain, snow, or spilt liquids. It has an intelligent design and proven reliability that can be achieved at an affordable price. A Trex RainEscape water drainage system consists of 8 components. RainEscape downspouts, which are placed at the end of each trough to catch and funnel liquid. RainEscape troughs, available in 12-foot and 16-foot lengths, needed in joist spacing to catch and carry liquids to the downspout. RainEscape 4-inch by 50-foot butyl tape and RainEscape 2-inch by 50-foot butyl tape for elevation steel framing ensures a watertight seal. RainEscape wall flashing is used to compress and seal the gap between your first deck board and your home's siding. RainEscape post flash slides over a 4x4 post and is sealed with caulk to further prevent moisture damage. RainEscape caulk tube, which is a butyl-based caulk, ensures a watertight seal. Trex RainEscape is easy to install by yourself or with a contractor. It can be installed over a new deck or if you remove the deck boards over an existing deck. It protects the structural integrity of your deck and allows you to create an indoor environment for dry storage space or livable space where you could put furniture, install ceiling fans, speakers, or TVs that would be safe from the outdoor elements. Have a question about something we talked about or need help with any other home improvement products? Give us a call. We're here to help you.